Hello guys, how you doing? Thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful braided wig. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first requirement for this tutorial is a 360 lace cap, and then the first step you're going to do is to mark the shape of your hairline on the cap. As you can see, I've already marked the shape of my hairline, and also I've marked two lines. The first line is going to be for my edges, and then the second line is where my braids are going to stop, like the hanging braids are going to stop. The next requirement are these braids. So I'll put a link in the description box down below on how to make these braids, just in case you want to know how to make them. And then I'm going now to pin the braids on the lines that I marked. So make sure you pin the braids, because you're going to sew the braids on the cap. Make sure you pin the braids on the lines that you marked, because you want your wig to look natural, and also you want the wig to follow the shape of your head. The next step is to sew the braids together, and you can start by sewing the braids together, then sew them on the cap, or you can sew the braids as you sew them on the cap, if it makes sense. But it's always easier to like sew the braids together first and then sew them on the cap.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your own?
The next step is to pin down the braids that are going to hang down your face. You can either pin one or two, whichever that you prefer. I prefer two. And then you can also highlight the hanging braids with whichever color that you prefer. I preferred black because I was going to add accessories on the hanging braids. Don't sew the front part of the hanging braids on the cap, because you're going to cut the cap. I also marked the middle part of my cap. So I like when I'm making like a ponytail style, I like meeting the braids together in the middle. Then I always hold the braids together because it makes it easier for me to sew.
To me, I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me.
So another thing that you should note when you're making this style is just make sure like the hanging part is in the middle of the cap, and also make sure you balance the number of braids on both sides. If the left side is 6 pieces, then make sure the right side is also 6 pieces. As I continue pinning the braids down, I'm actually holding them in the middle, and this is going to quicken up the process. And also by doing this, I also know how my wig is going to look. So make sure you hold them in the middle as you pin them down or as you continue sewing.
I'm still waiting for the answers to the universe, waiting for someone to wake me up, tell me that this is all just a dream. I'm still waiting.
So the only part that is elastic on this cap is the adjustable strap and the middle part of this cap. So as you sew the hair down, make sure you don't sew the adjustable strap, because you might reduce the size of the cap. So you can wear this wig like this without adding the baby hair, but then I wanted mine to have baby hair. And I'll be using this hair and this ventilation needle, and I'll be picking like just 1 or 2 strands of hair, and only crochet the sides, don't crochet the middle part of the wig. To secure this wig on your head, you have to sew an elastic band on it and then add combs as well. I always spray some water on the lace before I apply my concealer because it kind of makes it look more natural and blends so well with my complexion. And then also the water helps the concealer to stick on the lace so that I don't have to apply concealer every time I want to wear my wigs. That was it for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or if you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.